You like her hat?
That's a hood.
Hood.
Yeah. Can you give Grace a kiss? Can you lean in and give Grace a kiss? Give her a kiss.
Those.
Yeah, she's got stars inside her hood, huh?
Sweet man.
Can you give her a kiss? Oh, that was sweet. Good job.
Google.
Yeah, we're Google video chatting with Uncle David.
Yo!
Yo! And outside, there's a ton of snow. Ton of snow. Yeah. So much snow.
Oot.
There's Grace. Hi, Grace. Hi, baby Grace.
And there.
Yeah, that's Grace right there. Hey, don't touch that.
Button.
Okay,
Button.
don't touch.
Button.
So is Adriana coming in January, or that's still a
I'm
no?
not exactly sure yet. She wants to, but
D.
it's been about a few days.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Is she moving up to
Why don't you tell me
Ketchikan?
your numbers?
Yeah, she'll be moving up in February.
Tell me your numbers.
Oh, exciting!
Tell me your numbers. Wait, hold on, Everett. Come here. Stand here. Stand here like a big boy. And tell me your numbers.
Is
1.
it rude